So these are the examples of cube of a binomial. We have x plus 5 to the power of 3. First step is to, by the way, we are going to identify first our first term. So our first term is, wait a minute. So this is our first term, and this is our second term. Now, what are we going to do with our first term? First term is that we are going to cube it. So this is our first step. So first, that is x. Diba, first step, we're going to make the first term into cube. So that is x to the power of cube. We will put it in a parenthesis. Second step is that we are going to multiply the exponent, which is 3, and then x. We are going to put it in a parenthesis and then i-square natin siya. Next is times 5. Yan, next, our third step is to make the second term square na, second term na naman ang i-square natin. So it will become 3 times x, then 5 to the power of 2. Next, our fourth step is to make the second term a cube. So it will become 5 to the power of 3. Yeah. So let us solve. X to the power of 3 is equivalent to x cubed, or x to the power of 3 still. Then 3. By the way, PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, and then E stands for exponent. So since we are going to solve first the x squared, so it will become 3x squared times 5. So what is 3 times 1? That is 3. 3 times 5, that is 15. And then copy natin yung x squared. Next, again, we're going to manipulate this one first. Okay, so that is 3 times x, then 5 times 5, that is 25 equals 75. So that is 75. Next, 5 to the power of 3. So that is 5 times 5 times 5, in which it is equivalent to 125. After this one is we are going to write our final answer. Ito yung first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. So we have x cubed. Since it is positive, therefore our operation here is plus. Then 15 x squared plus, by the way, copy natin yung x dito. So that is 75x. Yan. Plus 75x and then plus 125. So therefore, this is now our final answer. Yan. Next example is x minus 7 to the power of 3, or x minus 7 cubed. First step, x to the power of 3. Okay. Next, second step, 3 times x to the power of 2 times negative 7 to the power of, times x to the power of 2 times negative 7. Sa third step na pala, i-square yung second term. Okay, so sa third step, we have 3 times x times negative 7 squared. Next, fourth step is that negative 7 to the power of 3. Okay. First step, we have x to the power of 3. So that is x cubed. Next, 3 times x squared. Kasi nga, x to the power of 2, that is x squared, times negative 7. So, we have 3 times 1, that is 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21x squared. Next is 3 times x. Then negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. So that is positive 49. Kasi sa loss of not loss of exponent, sa multiplying integers, di ba? Pag same yung sign, the answer is positive. So, yan siya. So, 3 times 1 is 3, and then 3 times 49 is 147. Then, copy natin si x. After that one is yung fourth step, which is negative 7 to the power of 3. So, that is negative 7 times negative 7 times negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. Positive 49 times negative 7, that is equivalent to negative. Kasi, unlike sign siya. Negative yung isa, positive yung isa. Pag mag-multiply tayo ng unlike sign, the answer is negative. So, the answer here is 343. So, that is negative 343. Now, we are going to write the first step, second step, third step, and the fourth step. So, that is x to the power of 3 minus, kasi yung operation natin dito ay yung sign natin dito is negative. So, that is minus 21x squared. Next, plus, kasi positive siya. So, plus 147x. And then, minus, kasi negative yung 343. So, minus 343. So, this is now our final answer. Yan. X squared minus 21x squared plus 147x minus 343. Proceed tayo sa next example, in which that is 2x minus 3 to the power of 2. First step, that is 2x to the power of 3. Second step, this is cube pala ha. So, that is cube. 2x minus 3 to the power of 3. So, second step, we have 3 times 2x to the power of 2 minus 3. Times negative 3. Next, our third step is This is our third step. 3 times 2x times negative 3 to the power of 2. Yan. Next is our fourth step. Fourth step is negative 3 to the power of 3. Okay. So, let's solve. 2x to the power of 3. Remember, loss of exponent. So, what are we going to do is to distribute the exponent to each one of them. So, that is 2 to the power of 3, and then 3, and then x to the power of 3, in which 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2, 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So, that is 8. Then, x to the power of 3, that is 8x cube. Okay, so that is our answer. Next, the second step, we have 2. Again, we are going to distribute this one dito, tsaka dito. So, that is 3. Wait a minute, medyo ano ko ngayon. 3 times 2 to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2, and then times negative 3. Okay. 3. First to manipulate is the parenthesis na nasa and exponent. 3, then 2 times 2, that is 4. Copy natin si x squared, tapos negative 3. Yan. So, 3 times 4, that is 12, right? 3 times 4 is 12. Now, 12 times, this is 12. 12 times negative 3. Again, 12 times the answer is negative. So, that is negative. Okay, that is negative 36. And then, copy natin si x squared. So, that is negative 36x squared. And then, yung third step natin is 3 times 2x times, yan, 2x. Then, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So, what is the answer? 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. So, that is 54x. Next, 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3, that is 9. Positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3, the answer is negative, and that is negative 27. So, write our final answer. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, our final answer now is 8x cubed minus 36x squared plus 54x minus 27. Yan. So, that is our final answer. 8x cubed minus 36x squared plus 54x minus 27.